Now I'm going to start here along this edge, and it is important if I am doing layers that I make a note of the first 2 points that I capture. I'll explain more about that later, so let's go. I'm going to move fast, and I'm going to move deliberately and place Moasure 1 down every 6 to 8 seconds, pause for a moment and let Moasure capture that point, and off I go again. It is better to move fast, and I'm not talking about breaking Olympic records fast here, but a reasonable speed. You would think that it is better to move slowly, but actually the quicker you are, the more accurate the measurement will be. Right, I'm just going to move around this obstacle here. I think they call it a quarter pipe, but what do I know? Point is that even though I am taking the scenic route around, Moasure 1 will still capture a straight line measurement from that point over there to this point here, because I have set my path type to line. And now actually as well, if you look, when I place the Moasure 1 down, I am not crash landing it or stabbing the earth with it, and as a farmer boy from the west coast of Ireland, that is my tendency with tools, to be honest. But this is more of an instrument. I wouldn't go around handling any electronic instrument, you know, with such abandonment. I simply place it down like I'm holding a fine Ristretto coffee that someone has crafted with time and care, and I will treat it the same. Here we go. Hold it still for a second while Moasure captures the point. Wait for the audio prompt, and on we go again. You notice that as I walk around, Moasure is tracking and plotting my position on the app, which is great because it means I don't have to write down any numbers and I don't have to draw anything out. And as I get to the end here, it will do the math once I complete the drawing. And there you go, it has worked out the total area of this space, it has worked out the total perimeter. I have not had to do one calculation.